Hello, welcome to Algorithms. My name is Saurabh, and in this presentation, we are going to discuss about cloud ROI models. We know that developing cloud ROI models that show how cloud computing adoption can benefit both business and IT consumers and providers involves examining the key features and the business operating model changes. Now, two presentations I planned for this. So one is cloud ROI models, which focuses on the time, cost, quality, and margin. These are the four pillars of the ROI models. And then in the next one, I'm going to talk about cloud computing key performance indicators, because these are the areas which are very important in terms of measuring your cloud migration or your data center exit. So let's go through it. So as I said, there are four different pillars, and time, cost, quality, and profitability and there are different ROI saving models depending upon what type of project you are doing. So speed of time reduction, so it actually talks about compression of time reduction by cloud adoption. And the second is rate of change of total cost of ownership reduction by cloud adoption. Then optimizing time to deliver or optimizing time to execution. So this actually focuses on increase in provisioning speed, and the second one is more towards speed of multi-sourcing. Then the second dimension is cost. That also talks about the speed of reduction, but in terms of cost. So how do we compress costs by cloud adoption? Then rate of change of total cost of ownership reduction by cloud adoption. By the name it sounds same, but there are different variables that we are looking at. Then optimizing cost of capacity, so aligning cost with the usage, so capex or opex utilization, pay as you go savings from cloud adoption, so on and so forth. Then elastic scaling cost improvements. Optimizing ownership use, so what is the portfolio total cost of ownership, license cost reduction from from cloud adoption, open source adoption, so on and so forth. Then this one is interesting from the quality perspective, which talks about green sustainability. So this is just if your organization is focusing on green, so you can just put together a cost pillar for that as well and see how you are benefiting in terms of ROI if you have any such mission or vision from the company perspective. Then optimizing time to deliver or optimizing time to execution from the quality perspective, so increase in provisioning speed, reduction in supply chain cost, speed of multi-sourcing. Then the choices of flexibility or different options that you have. The last one is from the profitability perspective, which is increase in revenue profit margin from cloud adoption. It's hard to measure, but it is good to have because most of the digital transformation programs, they are just focused on the infrastructure upgrade, but these cloud computing ROI models are hardly included. So it is good to have a look at it and see what is the best fit for your organization, and then you can tailor it. And in the next presentation, I'm going to talk about KPIs, key performance indicators. So you can align these ROI models with different ROI models with the key performance indicators, so that when you go to a CIO or CFO, you can share these metrics that clearly indicates how things are moving or progressing from the organization perspective. I guess this is it from my side. Thank you very much.